y'all, welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you've been here before. So let's go ahead and get into it. I already did my eyebrows and I'm gonna start on my eyes. I'm gonna use the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place. And I'm just gonna take that brown shade and put that in my crease. And then I'm gonna take that dark pink shade and I'm gonna put that on my lids. Okay, now I'm going to use my Beige Cosmetics matte palette, and I'm going to take that black shade and I'm just going to put that on the outer parts of my eyes. Okay, y'all, now I'm going to use my eyeliner, Maven Beauty Liquid Eyeliner. Now I'm going to use my Duo Lash Glue, my Ioni lashes. I forgot what style it's in, but everything be listed in the description box. Okay, now I'm going to use my Essence Beauty pencil just to line my eyes, like tight line where I put my lashes at underneath there. Make sure no gaps are showing. And then I'm using my mascara, my Essence Lash Princess mascara. I'm going to use my Dickinson's toner for my face. And then I'm going to use my L'Oreal Filler Moisturizer. Okay, now I'm going to use my Benefit Cosmetics Porefessional Pore Primer. And for my foundations, I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Foundation 440 and Revlon Color Stay Foundation in 600 Cinnamon. Now I'm going to use my e.l.f. Camo Concealer, Deep Cinnamon. I'm just using that for just to conceal. And now I'm going to use my e.l.f. Concealer in Medium Beige. I'm using that to highlight. I'm just going to put that all the places where the light would hit. While that's sitting, I'm going to use my Beauty Bay bronzer in Chestnut. And I'm going to use the Juvia's Place bronzer palette, and I'm going to use the light shade in there to go underneath my jawline, around my jawline, also the contour of my nose. And now I'm just going to blend out that concealer that I put down. Now to set that concealer, I'm going to use my Urban Decay Translucent Setting Powder. Now I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Powder Foundation in the shade 440. I'm just using that as my all over face powder. use my Juvia's Place blush palette. I think that's a volume 2 palette. And I'm just going to use that shade for my blush, and I'm going to mix those other 2 shades for my highlight. Now for my lips, I'm going to use my Juvia's Place, lip liner brownie, and I'm going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick in sepia. And for my little face spray, it's going to be the Morphe Setting Mist. And that's it, y'all. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate you all watching. I hope you enjoyed this simple look. I just wanted to do something on a simpler side. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Comment, like, share. I'd love to hear from you all. Make sure you press the bell so you'll be alerted for my uploads. Everything I use will be listed in the description box, as well as all my social media handles. Again, thank you for watching. I'll see you all on the next one. Make sure you take care of yourselves. Bye.